Okay, so we're going to be making vegan mayo today, and I highly recommend using Edensoy unsweetened soy milk. It just makes for the best mayo. So take 1 cup of the soy milk in a blender with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and blend on high. Now lower your blender to the lowest setting and slowly stream in 2 cups of vegetable oil. It'll start to thicken as you're adding the oil, and once it gets to the part where it gets very thick and it doesn't want to take any more oil, that's how you know you're done. So blend the remaining oil and it should be thick and creamy. Now you can just transfer that right into a jar and refrigerate, and it should last for about a week. Now if you want to take it up a notch and make some flavored mayos, you could take some roasted garlic for a garlic aioli and just mash that up. Add some pesto, maybe do a spicy mayo with some sriracha, and you can also add in a nice little squeeze of lime juice there. And we're going to play a fun game here. You're just going to add your mayos. We're going to switch these around. Can you guess which is which? If you guessed spicy mayo was the first one, you get a pony. And if you guessed pesto mayo was the second one, well, you get a new car. And if you guessed garlic aioli was the third, you get a gold star. And there you have a beautiful vegan mayo recipe.